Hello everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. Today I'm riding out to the Cherohala Skyway with a buddy of mine.
How long will your charge last on those?
Not long, man. I mean, I've got...
That's Eric. He's going to be our tour guide for the day.
I've got several batteries I carry with me, like spares, but it's like I might get about 45 minutes out of it.
It's definitely early in the morning, but we're packed and ready to start our adventure. This is Highway 30 that leads from the Ooltewah to Reliance, Tennessee. I've been on this road a few times before, and every time the scenery gets better. Quick stop in Tellico Plains and we met the ladies of Rides Moto. We even bumped into one of our own White Lightning Hog members. And just like that, we enter the Cherokee National Forest. Right about here I noticed something was in my shirt biting the crap out of me. I was really thrilled when Eric decided to pull over.
I'm so glad you pulled over. I swear. It feels like something's in my shirt biting me or stinging. You know, I was like,
Oh, were you?
yeah. I mean, it could just be a string, but oh my god, it felt like something was stabbing me with an ice pick.
One, two, three.
As we left the overlook, our plan was to ride the Skyway a couple of times and head back home. But as it turned out, Mother Nature had something else planned.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're starting to get sprinkled on a little bit. Just a light misting rain. I hate riding in the rain. I really hate riding in the rain. I didn't bring my rain gear. Anyway, the hazards of riding a motorcycle. Traction control on. Ugh, gross.
After the rain passed, it was time to head back home, but we did make a pit stop to play with the drone. You see, a beginning drone pilot is a seasoned expert compared to me. I had no business going over the trees, much less through them. This was definitely one of those hold my beer and watch this moments. Thank you guys very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you would, please subscribe to the channel. And if you could, like and comment. If you can do those things, I promise I will get back to you. Thanks a bunch and have a great day.